In the manufacturing industry, blue-collar workers are the backbone of production. Their skills, dedication, and hard work keep the wheels of industry turning. But today, many companies face a significant challenge: retaining these invaluable employees. High turnover rates among blue-collar workers can disrupt operations, increase costs, and affect overall productivity. So, how can companies improve retention and ensure their workforce remains strong and motivated? Retention starts with understanding the needs and concerns of your blue-collar workforce. It's not just about wages. It's about creating a work environment where employees feel valued, supported, and part of a team. Investing in training and development is crucial. Providing opportunities for skill advancement and career growth shows employees that the company is invested in their future. A safe and comfortable work environment is essential. Regularly updating safety protocols and ensuring clean, well-maintained facilities can significantly impact employee satisfaction. Open communication and employee involvement are key. Encouraging feedback and involving workers in decision-making processes helps build a sense of ownership and loyalty. Community engagement also plays a role. Companies that support local communities and involve employees in these efforts often see higher levels of employee satisfaction and loyalty. Retention isn't just about keeping workers, it's about creating an environment where they want to stay. When employees feel valued and see a future with the company, they're more likely to stay and thrive. By focusing on training, safety, communication, and community, companies can build a loyal, dedicated workforce that drives success in the manufacturing industry. Invest in your people, and they'll invest in your future. For more information on improving blue-collar employee retention, visit our website or contact us today. Learn how we can help you by visiting bluecollaremployeeretention.com today and schedule your free consultation.